Hello everybody, welcome to our channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to access a recycle bin on your VIVO X300. So basically, to access your recycle bin, you'll need to open up your app drawer, find File Manager here, and in File Manager you can see a recently deleted, and basically that's a recycle bin or a trash. And here you can choose what to do with your recently deleted files or pictures. So basically you can see details about it, restore it or delete it. So I'm gonna delete my file, so permanently delete. So basically in trash, the deleted content will be kept for only 30 days before being permanently deleted. So if you deleted something, don't forget to restore it if you need it, or just delete it permanently. So thank you for watching and subscribe.